Today I'm going to show you how to add an Upwork shortcut to your desktop. This is incredibly useful if you frequently use Upwork for freelancing or hiring, as it allows you to access the platform instantly without having to open your browser and type in the URL every single time. First, make sure you have Upwork open in your browser. Once you're on the Upwork homepage or any Upwork page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 dotted lines. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with several options for managing your browsing experience. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Click on it to proceed. This section contains various tools that allow you to interact with the web page in different ways, including saving it for quick access later. Next, you'll see an option that says Create Shortcut. Click on this option. What this does is prepare a desktop shortcut that links directly to Upwork, making it behave almost like a standalone app on your computer. After clicking Create Shortcut, a confirmation message will pop up at the top of your browser window. This is the browser asking you to finalize the creation of the shortcut. Simply click Create to confirm. This step ensures that the shortcut is officially generated and ready to be placed on your desktop. Once you've clicked Create, the shortcut will automatically be saved to your desktop. You don't need to navigate to any folder or specify a location. It all happens seamlessly in the background. Now, whenever you want to access Upwork, you can simply double-click the shortcut icon on your desktop and it will open directly in your browser. This saves you time and streamlines your workflow, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or checking Upwork throughout the day. And that's it. You've successfully added an Upwork shortcut to your desktop, giving you instant access whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.